Hi everyone, today I'll be showing you how to use Cesium. Cesium is a 3D geospatial database and it's really useful in trying to 3D visualize cities. So you firstly have to search for Cesium in your web browser, and then you have to log in or sign up, which I've already done, and then you can just go to stories and say new story. This will take you to the database. Right, so as you can see, it's now opened up on the home page. For today, I'll be looking at Melbourne City. The Earth has now shown up. You can just type in the address, the landmark, or the area that you're looking for in the search bar. I'll be looking for Melbourne. And like that, it'll take you to the place. As you can see, there's really some data on here that has been made into 3D. And if you look on the left, you'll see under assets, it says Cesium OSM buildings and Bing Maps aerial opacity. So the Cesium OSM is the blocks over here, because it's OSM dots that's been mapped in the Melbourne area. So you can just turn that off and you can see the maps now, or you can just turn them back on. You can do the same thing for the aerial map, as well as change the terrain over here at the bottom to different type of terrains. So I just want to show you how to add assets essentially and what are available. So add assets over here, and you can choose from the asset like databases over here from what you like. So I think I'm gonna look at the Melbourne photogrammetry and say add, and I'll add to the assets on the left. Another asset is maybe Melbourne point cloud. I'll add that one as well so I can compare it. As you can see, it's busy loading. Looks quite pixelated and distorted at the moment, but that's because I have multiple layers on. So you can just turn some off, and as you can see, turn it to point cloud. You can just look at the Melbourne photogrammetry and see how that differs to point cloud. Ooh, point cloud is quite a lot more pixelated. I think overall it is a pretty good indicator of heights and of what the city actually looks like. You can always like delete the aerial map and just get the area that's been mapped, or turn that off and just look at it like this. Another cool feature is that you can also measure the heights and areas of the buildings. I'm going to look at this one right here. Click on the line, click at the bottom and drag it up, and I'll tell you the height. This building is approximately 133, I'd say 135 meters. So yeah, I think overall this is a good indicator and database to use for different representations and visualization. And then if you want to just share it, you can just go to share, you type the name in and say OK, and then OK again. As well as you can change the settings and capture views of what you're trying to look at. So we're looking at the botanical gardens. You can see all the trees, the mapping, and you can just capture the view. And now it's done. Bye, thank you.